Hey you guys, Going Danny Girl here. Um, Doing another DIY. So tired of the silver grill, so I'm gonna make that black. Silver for now. Black will be coming soon. So I'm just showing you guys before, then I'll show you guys an after. I'm not gonna tape. I'm not gonna do nothing. I could tape, but it ain't gonna be perfect right now. 9 times out of 10, I don't know how long this car gonna be this color. Well, I end up eventually getting painted black, so it really don't matter if I get a little paint on the car, spray paint on the car. So once again, showing you guys what I'm using. The same cans that I use to do the rims, I'm gonna use on the grill. 96 cents at Walmart, all day, every day. So that's the rims. Now you can see them in the daylight, so it'll get a little bit more better view of it. So they came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. Like I said, if I have to add a little bit to it, I will. But I really don't think I might have to anytime soon. But that is the outlook of them. All black. I eventually might do the emblem back here and right there. Well, I might just take the 300 off. I don't know yet. But I'm just gonna, I don't know. You know what? I might actually go on and do this too while I'm at it, just to see how it come out. So. Just giving you guys a quick cap of what I'm finna get ready to do right now. So I'll see you guys in a few. Like, share, subscribe.